into the blue. Whispers rise where the earth feels new. Soft winds carry dreams we knew. Every shadow stretched so thin. Where does the light begin? Chasing the horizon, never still. The quiet hum, the gentle thrill. A world unspoken, waiting until steps dissolve in golden haze. Mountains hum with a quiet praise. Time unwinds in endless race. Every heartbeat pulls me near to what's beyond, to disappear. Chasing the horizon.